Hey Tanganites, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my super duper moisturizing aloe vera and flaxseed buttercream leave-in that I use to moisturize, style and seal my hair. But firstly, please pause this video or screenshot the ingredients right here. So we're making everything from scratch, right? And that's why we need a preservative. So ensure that you take the time out to see the calculations for the preservative, right? Because we don't want any yeast, mold or bacteria growth in our products. So I'm using bottled water and not pipe water because pipe water contains impurities and we want this product to be as impurity free as possible, right? So as I said before, the ingredients are right there, so you can look at ingredients because I am not quite sure of the measurements right here. So I'm going to let that boil for a while and then I'm going to be scooping the shea butter into the container. You gotta get all that shea butter out, no waste. 2021. So personally, when I'm doing my flaxseed gel, I like to do it when it's hot, strain it while it's hot, because I can't bother to use a stocking to squeeze out the mixture. So when I strain it hot, it's still in its liquid form, so it just goes right out. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and I think it's a half teaspoon of avocado oil. I'm not sure, the ingredients are listed. If anything, I will just put the ingredients in the description and the comments down below. So this looks like 2 tablespoons of mango butter. Again, shea butter and mango butter are very nutritious for our hair and it's good sealant and it's very conditioning. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. If you want to know more about why I choose these ingredients, you can definitely check the description box. I will definitely share the benefits of each ingredient. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. And this is the preservative that I'm going to be using, Optafin Plus. The mixture has a good amount of water in it, so I'm going to use Optafin Plus instead of Optafin. And these are the calculations on how I add my Optafin Plus. So now you're going to mix and combine this mixture. And then Optafin Plus is heat sensitive, so I ensure that I add it when the product is cooled down. As you can see, it's getting so nice and creamy. This product is lightweight, very moisturizing, and it does get a bit more solid defined than that. Look at that, so lightweight. And let me know if you plan on trying this. Like, share and have a wonderful and blessed day.